swear that never gets old. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Decided to make this video the day after all this stuff happened, but last night it was pretty nice out, so I decided to take the car out with a few buddies and, you know, just hang out, chill. But a friend of mine with a C5Z decided to come out, and he just got done putting everything together on his car, and he just wanted to test the setup out, make sure everything was working well. But you know, we got to run in, and it wasn't the cleanest, and my dumbass, I didn't have the GoPros, so all we had were you know, passengers with cell phones. But it was pretty fun. It was cool to see, you know, different cars, different setups, different blowers, you know, how they, you know, run with each other. So that car, I think, made over 900 wheel and a lot more torque than I did. I mean, the car is way faster than mine is, but he just wanted to test the setup out, so, you know, we had a little fun. We're gonna get a rematch in once he figures some things out with the car, and he's just gonna destroy me. He's gonna gap the shit out of me, but, you know, it is what it is. It's just all fun for me. I could care less. But yeah, we just had some fun. But excuse the video, it's pretty dark and not the best, but, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, it's just another gorgeous day here. Have to take the vet out, hit some back roads, and you know, just enjoy it. But if you like this video, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for me. And I appreciate you checking this out. So let me know what you guys think. One, two, three!